Hi, Hayden here, and this is probably going to be an echoey mess because I'm in my bathroom, and I'm going to put together this, what is this, a Wahl Color Pro color-coded hair cutting kit. It has all these different combs in it of different colors. Here's one of them here. Anyway, so I'm going to use this and trim my beard because I had been studying for the bar exam, the California bar exam. The bar exam's over. I just got back into town, yesterday morning at 5 o'clock in the morning, took the red eye back, and now it's time to trim up the beard. But I'm going to save you some time, and I'm not going to have you watch me shave. But keep in mind what this is like now, and then when I get back, you'll see what it looks like when it's shaved. All right, so I'll see you in a few. All right, this is the after effect. There's the shaving. I started out with the higher number, just say I have a longer beard, and I was using the number 8, and I jumped down to number 5, and ended up using the number 2. Let me just take this off here for a second. These snap on very nicely, by the way. This is the number 2. Let me get the white background behind it, and maybe you see that through there. There, number 2 blade. It's not too long. It tells you how long it is. It's a 1/4 inch, so 1/4 inch beard. Okay. The mustache is a little longer because I kind of like the. I don't know. It probably looks funny from the side. I don't know. You get a profile view. I don't even know what it looks like. But I kind of like more of a magnum mustache than the pencil thin mustache kind of look. But anyway, so the Wahl thing looked pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with the blades. So the Wahl, they say that it's the machined blades rather than a stamped blade, and I could definitely tell the difference in that. I was kind of a little concerned about that initially, but it works very well. The on-off button on the side it's a little rocker button. It's not too loud. It did a really great job. It's got a little hook on here, so like if you're like at the professional, they kind of hang the thing on a hook or something. I won't be doing that. It also makes because all that hair in the sink, I don't wash it down the drain, of course, because you don't want that mess in your kitchen, in your bathroom sink. So basically I close the drain and just let all the hair go into the sink, and then I kind of scoop all the hair out or vacuum it out with a vacuum, or I take like a slightly damp wad of toilet paper and then scoop up all the hair and just flush it away, or dump it into a garbage can out front. But yeah, that's it. So let me know what you think in the comments below. How do you like the shorter beard? And until I catch you in the next video, take care and be well.